Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Motorola Moto G57 Power. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and here we're gonna scroll down to sound and vibration. As you guys can see, here we have the call volume. Now we can increase it right here. As you guys can see, you guys could hear that. Now, what you guys want to do next is, if you adjusted your call volume up to the max, what you guys want to do next is try and call up somebody again, because this is a common mistake. You guys even cannot see it. So this is very important that you actually put your call volume all the way to the right. It happens to all of us. Sometimes our call volume can be lowered, and that's why we can get no sound during a call. What you guys want to do next is go over to connected devices in the settings, go to connection preferences, and go to Bluetooth. Now here, you guys want to make sure that Bluetooth is off, because we want to rule out any connected devices like speakers, headphones, even a car. So this will prevent our audio from rerouting to another device, and we will definitely have it on our phone. Now, what you guys want to do next, you see this little cutout right here. This is the earpiece that you put out to your ear. This is where you have the volume of your call. Now, I would recommend you guys cleaning it with a soft brush. If you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port, and we definitely do not want it. Because as you guys can see, maybe this is a bad example, but this is the only thing I have right now. This is the SIM tray ejector. Now, if you try and clean it with a SIM tray ejector, then what would happen is you can damage the port. Sorry, not the port, but the earpiece, and that would be a brutal mistake. So make sure to use a soft brush for it. Next, try and call up somebody again. Here, if you use the phone app for an example to call up somebody, you guys can use another app. You guys can even do it on Meet, you guys can do it on WhatsApp, or any other app that has a call support. Now, let's go over and go to our control center right here. Let's click this button and click restart. This way our phone will restart, and we will get rid of any minor glitches on our device. And I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what you guys want to do is enter your password if you have one. And as a last resort, you just go over to settings and then scroll a bit down until you guys see the system. So we want to go to system, click reset options. Let me quickly lower the brightness. And after that, you're just going to go over and reset mobile network settings. Here you click reset, enter the password if you have one, and click reset again. Now those settings have been reset, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.